fasten while the seatbelt sign is on and remain seated as movement in the cabin must be limited. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. If you need to leave your seat, keep the aisle clear to allow others to pass by and take care of opening the overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. All are fitted with smoke detectors. We'd like to remind all our customers that smoking is not permitted on board at any time. That includes e-cigarettes. Please ensure that no more than 2 people are queuing at the toilets to avoid any congestions. We'll be shortly passing through the cabin with our eat-drink service bar, offering you a great selection of drinks and snacks, followed by our boutique shop service, offering you the chance to purchase duty-free items at highly discounted rates compared to high street shops. In the meantime, we'd like to sit back, relax and enjoy this flight with us. Thank you.